The fish we're spawning right now are Sockeye, a hybrid between walleye and sauger. We capture these from Lakes Ann and Windsor, bring them into the hatchery, inject them with a hormone that induces spawning, and then a few days later we strip spawn the females and put them in hatching jars. This is a big healthy female. You can see that she's carrying a lot of eggs. Maybe as many as 75,000 eggs. But she's not ready yet. Okay, now we're applying strong pressure to the abdomen in a front to back motion to strip the eggs. These are the males. And of course, with all males, you don't have to do nearly as much coaxing. That's all you need. And it's instantaneous. They're basically already fertilized. So then the next thing that happens is the eggs want to stick together, because when the fish deposits the eggs, they settle on the rocks and stuff, and they stick to them like glue. So the way you get past that, this is a highly refined clay called Fuller's Earth. I think they use it in cosmetics and stuff. These little clay particles stick to the surface of the egg and prevent them from sticking. After water hardening for about 2 hours, we transfer the eggs into McDonald hatching jars where they stay, and they roll in the hatching jar for about a week to 10 days before they're ready to hatch. As the fish hatch, they swim to the surface of the hatching jar where they move off into the trough, which takes them to the tank. At that point, after about 3 days, the walleye fully develop their mouth parts, and at that point we can take them to their rearing ponds for the next 2 to 3 months. Along about the end of May to the first part of June, we seine our ponds and we move the fingerlings to the Bella Vista Lakes, where they continue to grow for about 1.5 years until they're of proper size to be caught by anglers. If we hold the fingerlings in rearing ponds for more than about 2 or 3 months, or till they're about 2.5 inches long, they tend to cannibalize each other. So we have to get that done in June, or we lose most of our fish.